The Yeezy Good or bad? Good morning, everybody, or whenever you're watching this, because it's the internet. Adam Greenberg with you with another episode of Good or Bad, the show where I review things from the comfort of my own bed. And today we will be doing a review of the Adidas Yeezy Powerphase Calabas, the gray colorway. I'm a size 12. Actually, my brother bought me these as a little holiday gift. Yes. Did that a little differently this time. These are the Adidas Yeezy Powerphase Calabas in the gray. I gotta tell you, I really like the classic look. Now, what Adidas has done, they've teamed up with Yeezy yet again due to all of the success of the Adidas Yeezy, the 750s and the 350s and the 900s, and basically it's a collaboration with Adidas and Kanye West, and it's a recreation. I wouldn't even say a remake because it's exactly the same as the 80s Powerphase tennis shoe. Now, what do I like about it? I love the gray colorway. It's gray pretty much the whole entire shoe. The laces, the sole, the toe, the heel, everything. The interior is all gray as well. The only other colors on it are this forest green and red Adidas logo, which is very, very cool. And also the gold Calabas on the side. The leather on this shoe, I don't know if it was this way in the 80s and they revamped it and remastered it, but the leather on this shoe is actually incredible. It might be the softest leather I have ever felt. Not even joking. Do I love this shoe? Is it my favorite Yeezy? Of course not. I have the Nike Air Yeezy 1s and the Nike Air Yeezy 2s, which are definitely some of my favorite. I have still not acquired an Adidas Yeezy of any kind other than these Powerphases, for no other reason other than I didn't want to stand in line and I didn't want to work any of my connects. And my brother bought these actually for himself, and they were a little too tight on him, so he was ever so kind to give them to me. Shout out to Seen by Wolf. Now, do I love these? I do love the retro look. On feet, they are a little bit weird, especially because the leather's so soft in the toe that it kind of like indents a little bit. This is obviously not why I have them, but more than anything, the Adidas Yeezy Powerphase is really a status symbol. They're not an expensive shoe. They retail for like 170 Canadian, I think 120 US. And really, if I didn't have these and I saw someone walking down the street, I'd be like, ooh, nice, they got the Powerphases. That's how I'm gonna feel wearing them. Not that I'm looking for any sort of status symbol, but I am a sneakerhead and I have appreciation for the culture. So I do appreciate these. I will enjoy wearing them. I will wear the hell out of them. Not now, because it's crazy winter in Montreal and it's horrifying out there. Would I say that these are good or bad? I would say that these are good. They're not the best, and they're not bad, because I enjoy them, I like them. The leather is really high quality. Let me know what you think of the Adidas Yeezy Powerphase Calabas in the comments. Let me know if they're good or bad, but I would say we put this baby to rest. Good or bad? Follow along on social media at Adam Greenberg1 on Instagram, at Adam Greenberg TB1 on Facebook, TB1 Vids on YouTube. And if you have any things that you want to review or you want me to review in bed, just send them my way in the comments or send me a message, a little DM on Instagram. And I was iron.